Tabu, the rise, fall, and fearless journey of a woman who refused to be boxed. In an industry where beauty often fades faster than talent, Tabu stands as a rare exception. Not loud, not dramatic, yet unforgettable. Her journey is not a straight line of success. It's a story of brilliance, pauses, rejection, reinvention, and dignity. The early rise, talent recognized before stardom. Tabu entered cinema in the early 1990s at a time when heroines were expected to fit a single mold, glamorous, submissive, and replaceable. But Tabu was different from day one. She didn't scream for attention. She didn't chase stardom. She commanded respect through performance. Films like Vijayapath, Marches, and Hututu showcased a depth that very few actresses of her generation could touch. Directors didn't cast her for looks. They cast her for truth. Very early, Tabu proved she wasn't just an actress. She was an experience. Peak years when performance ruled over popularity. By the late 1990s and early 2000s, Tabu reached a creative peak. She delivered powerhouse performances in films like Chandani Bar, Astitv, Maqbool, and The Namesake. These weren't commercial crowd pleasers. They were career-defining risks. She portrayed flawed women, broken marriages, moral conflicts, loneliness, desire, and regret. Subjects mainstream cinema avoided. Awards followed. Critical acclaim followed. But something else happened too. White tried pointing back hand index mass stardom slowly slipped away. The silent fall when the industry looked away. As years passed, Bollywood changed. Younger faces replaced experienced performers. Box office numbers mattered more than acting depth. Tabu didn't fit the young heroine category anymore. And she refused to play decorative roles just to stay visible. This phase wasn't dramatic. No controversies. No headlines. Just silence. She worked selectively. Some films went unnoticed. Some roles were underwritten. This was not failure. This was isolation in success. An actress too talented to ignore, yet too unconventional to promote. Choices over compromise, Tabu's quiet strength. Here's where Tabu's story becomes powerful. She never begged the industry for relevance. She never reinvented herself for validation. She waited. Instead of chasing lead roles, she chose meaningful ones. Even if they were supporting or unconventional. She trusted time. And time rewarded her. The comeback, reinvention without noise. When Tabu returned to the spotlight, she didn't come as a comeback actress. She came as a force. Films like Haidar, Andhadhun, Drishyam, Bhool Bhulaiya 2, and Ala Vakuntapuramalu proved one thing clearly. Fire Tabu aged like fine wine. She didn't need to be the heroine. She became the soul of the film. Audiences who once ignored her now applauded her presence. Young actors feared sharing screen space with her. Because she dominated every frame effortlessly. Why Tabu never truly fell? Did Tabu have lows? Yes. Did she disappear from mainstream cinema for a while? Yes. But did she ever lose her value? Never. Because Tabu built her career on talent, not trends. On choices, not desperation. On art, not attention. She proved that longevity doesn't come from chasing fame. It comes from earning respect. Legacy, a woman beyond cat.